Today, I will comment on 3 serious cybersecurity incidents from 2023 and give some recommendations. Let's get started. 35,000 PayPal accounts were hacked through a brute force attack due to password reuse. If you are using the same password for several banks, I suggest changing it now for a single and strong one. And if you have PayPal, activate two-factor verification. Popular web hosting site GoDaddy had its source code stolen and malware deployed on customers' websites. The attackers would have been within the GoDaddy network for more than 2 years. If you are a GoDaddy customer, I recommend audit the code to verify that there is no malware installed and verify that there is no redirection to malicious domains. At MGM Resorts and Casinos, hackers encrypted more than 100 ESX hypervisors and stole sensitive data. They paralyzed the casino services. Losses of $100 million are estimated. This last group of hackers uses a technique known as vishing or voice phishing, which is based on social engineering to deceive victims. Until the next cyber video,